Ow.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, they bite hard. Little dinosaurs.
Yeah.
All right, we stopped at the family farm. Lots of dogs, more dogs. There's a little one. A bunch of sprouted coconuts. This is how you grow coconut trees, I guess?
To plant this one in our area.
Okay. Oh wow, there's even more coconuts over here. Got some chickens. Lots of chickens. More coconuts. Oh, there's more coconuts here. There has to be probably 200 sprouting coconuts here to make coconut trees. And then a pile. This pile is probably 3.5 feet tall, maybe 20 feet across. Looks like they roast them before opening them up. Maybe that makes the milk taste better. I don't know. I better not stand under the coconut tree. I might end up, you watch my death on camera. Oh, maybe I need to take that out of YouTube. Anyway, let's go in. Don't slip in the mud.
You want?
Sure.
Are we gonna do this? Instead. We already give them. So that's why we're not. Yeah. You wanna try?
Sure.
Your hand? Using your hand and do this?
Hey, doing well? Hey.
No, just you're staying with me. That one.
Ow.
Yeah, that's right.
Wow, they bite hard. Little dinosaurs.
Yeah. I'm scared. That's how we call the.
Balloons are so hungry too.
You just walk.
Huh?
You just walk. I'm gonna take you some video. You just walk there.
Oh.
Go there. It's like behind the scene. Okay. Damo na na, bro.
Okay na. Okay. Sigawan na.
Higo ka sa stick kasi Chris sa likod mo. Chris, nangyari si Chris sa likod mo. Chris? Tong, you see?
Good.
Can you show the... That's nice. Look at this. Very fresh.
So I just cooked it.
Be careful because you're gonna, yeah. You have to stay away from the coconut trees. So be careful. We're gonna stick.
Got 2 more. I guess we're gonna make coconut juice. So we'll go and see how that's done if we have enough battery life. Bye.
Yes, Manila, Brad. Brad. They're very hardworking brother. You can give it to Chris. I'm gonna try it.
Good, very sweet. There's a lot in there.
You like it?
It's good, there's so much.
Huh? Have to be careful while drinking.
Huh?
Have to be careful while drinking.
Why?
What do you call this? Mancha? Something that. But it's okay. It's okay. He's wearing black shirt, so
Oh,
it's gonna be stained for your shirt.
Ah.
Yeah. It's okay. It's not visible.
So you get the coconut water and then you put the coconut meat inside?
Yeah. You're gonna mix with condensed milk.
Ah.
So we're gonna taste the sweet later. This is delicious.
You can't eat the white part here?
No, it's kind of like, what do you call this, like bitter or something? It's like sour. Just this one. Just this one. Oh, that one? Oh, okay. Maybe yung.
O ba 5 ni Dandilog yan?
It costs 30 pesos. 35 pesos in the bottle. Oh, ato mango. Wala ito nadala.
Ah, hindi rin natin yun.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And he's already put a couple out in the field again. So almost 10 buko went into this.
Okay. This clean, right?
Yep.
much? Ano may amuman ka nila ito?
May baso ka, sis? Wala ka baso, sis? Ayaw, wala. Hindi ka na.
Let's check out the jackfruit. So this is a jackfruit tree, and these are the jackfruit. Let's see if I can get this far enough away to have it perspective. I'm 300 pounds. Let's see. I don't know if I can get this fully extended. There we go. This thing is as big as my torso. This. Yeah, that's probably 60 or 70 pounds, easy. It's huge. It's like my hand. My hand is 8 inches. 1, 2, 3. It's probably 24, 25 inches across, and at least 3.5 feet around. So that thing is enormous. Like it's bigger than a pumpkin, bigger than a big pumpkin, and heavier too because it's solid inside. So I guess jackfruit is productive, and then it tastes like meat if you cook it right. So grow jackfruit if you ever come to the tropics. I think if I ever move here, that's what I'm gonna do. Let's do a little more shots of the house.
Background music.
Yeah, we have to take all the audio out of this. I'll do a voiceover. Lami.
Namit.
Namit.
Maybe you can add some milk if you want. Want more sweet. Sis, kaunta.
Pinda siguro nung.
Pinda ka na ka magpuli.
Sila no?
Oo.
Ay, hello, sorry.
Uy, berahapan. Selfie, sis.
Wow.
Ando saging. Eating the chicken.
Namit. It's creamy. Super good. Very soft. I thought it would be hard. Oh, it's slick. Oh my god. It's like oil on this fucking thing. No, I'm not even gonna. I don't want to die.
That's okay.
What's up, guys? I'm in the top of a coconut tree. I made it all the way up here. I can't believe it. Now I don't know how I'm gonna get down. I wanted to do this when I came to the Philippines, and now I've done it, and I think I'm in trouble. All right, keep filming in case I fall. Ready? I'm gonna come down. All right, I'm down. I made it though. I climbed a coconut tree in the Philippines, guys. Bye.